All right, Flash is going to grab a personal box here of 2014 Panini Hall of Fame baseball. Flash, I have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 4, 5, and then 8 through 15. 1, 2, 4, 5, and 8 through 15. 11. Right on top. Box number 11. Good luck. First up is number 275, 68 of 75 for the Milwaukee Brewers. Robin Yount. Next up is also the 75, 16 of 75 for St. Louis, Eno Slaughter. Next up is number 250, also for St. Louis, Rogers Hornsby. To 50. Next up is also to 50, 35 of 50. Purple and Yellow Crusade for Toronto, Roberto Alomar. Next one's also to 50 for Cleveland, 34 of 50 for Early Win, Diamond King. For Brooklyn, Diamond Kings, Burley Grimes. This one's not numbered. For New York, 66 of 75, Diamond King, Herb Pennock. First auto is numbered to 50, 22 of 50 on-card auto for Bert Blyleven. Bert Blyleven, and it is numbered to 50. Next auto, on-card auto for Gaylord Perry. Gaylord Perry. You got an emerald. I think these are one per case. Could be wrong, but emerald card, number to 10, 04 of 10 for St. Louis, Stan Musial. Green emerald. Nice hit. I recently sold the Cal Ripken number to 15 for 40 bucks. That was Cal Ripken and it was numbered to 15, so I'm not sure what a 10 Musial emerald would be. Pretty sure they're one per case though. Blue and yellow Crusade. The last three are usually just base cards. Jim Rice. Nap LaJoie for Cleveland on the Donruss Elite Series. And Elite Dominator, Ty Cobb. Thank you, Flash. Not a bad box. Got a numbered auto and a emerald card. Can't beat that.